Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to withdraw Litecoin from your Coinbase wallet straight to your Ledger Nano X. This is especially relevant in 2025, with crypto security being more important than ever. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more crypto tips and tricks. Let's dive right in. First things first, before we start, ensure you have both a Coinbase account and a Ledger Nano X set up. You'll need to have Litecoin in your Coinbase wallet and your Ledger device unlocked and ready. Security is key in crypto, so double-check everything to avoid any mishaps. Step 1. Open your Coinbase app or website and log in to your account. Navigate to your wallet section and select Litecoin from your list of assets. You'll see your Litecoin balance there. Make sure you know exactly how much you want to transfer. Step 2. On your Ledger Nano X, connect it to your computer via USB and open the Ledger Live app. Go to the Accounts tab, select Litecoin, and generate a receive address. This is a unique string of letters and numbers where your Litecoin will land. Copy this address carefully, don't share it with anyone. Step 3. Back in Coinbase, go to the Withdraw or Send section for Litecoin. Paste the Ledger address into the recipient field. Enter the amount you want to withdraw, and don't forget to check for any network fees. Coinbase might ask for two-factor authentication here, so have that ready. Step 4. Review the transaction details one last time. This includes the amount, fees, and destination address. If everything looks good, hit confirm. You'll get a confirmation email or notification from Coinbase. Step 5. Wait for the transaction to process. On the Bitcoin network, which Litecoin uses, this can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion in 2025. Once it's done, check your Ledger Live app to see your Litecoin balance updated. And there you have it. That's how you securely withdraw Litecoin from Coinbase to your Ledger Nano X. Remember, always prioritize security. Use hardware wallets like Ledger to keep your assets safe from hacks. If you run into any issues, Coinbase and Ledger have great support resources. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.